Low-carb mayonnaise recipe, keto, 3-minute. Craving creamy, delicious mayonnaise on your low-carb diet? You're in luck. This easy 3-minute recipe whips up a dreamy batch of keto mayo that's bursting with flavor and completely guilt-free. Ditch the store-bought stuff loaded with hidden sugars and additives, and take control of your ingredients with this simple, satisfying homemade version. Ingredients: makes about 1 cup, enough for 4 to 6 sandwiches or salads. 2 large egg yolks, at room temperature. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Half teaspoon apple cider vinegar, optional. For a tangy twist, 1 cup avocado oil, or light olive oil for a milder flavor, half teaspoon sea salt. Freshly cracked black pepper, to taste. Equipment: blender or immersion blender, mason jar or airtight container. Instructions: 1. Gather your ingredients and make sure the egg yolks are at room temperature. This helps them emulsify with the oil more smoothly. 2. Add the egg yolks, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar, if using, to your blender or immersion blender cup. 3. Blend on medium speed for about 30 seconds, until frothy and light yellow. 4. With the blender running on low speed, slowly drizzle in the avocado oil in a thin, steady stream. This is the key to a thick and creamy mayo. Patience is key. 5. Continue blending and adding oil until the mixture thickens to your desired consistency. 6. Once thickened, add the salt and pepper and blend for a few more seconds to combine. 7. Taste and adjust seasonings as desired. 8. Transfer the mayo to a mason jar or airtight container and store in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Tips: use fresh, high-quality ingredients for the best flavor. Make sure your oil is at room temperature as well. If your mayo breaks, becomes thin and oily, don't panic. Simply add a teaspoon of cold water and blend again until smooth. Get creative. Add herbs, spices, or even roasted garlic for a variety of flavors. This mayo is perfect for sandwiches, salads, dips, and even deviled eggs. Enjoy! Bonus keto recipe: whip up a batch of our keto garlic shrimp scampi and use this dreamy mayo for the ultimate low-carb indulgence.